Wir haben uns für FTS entschieden.
We opted for FTS because the market demands a certain dynamism and flexibility from us, and we can utilize resources more efficiently.
Schnellecke ist eine in dritter Generation.
Schnellecke is a family-run company in its third generation. We operate in over 80 locations on 4 continents, generate a turnover of around 1.4 billion euros, and are primarily active in the consumer products, industrial and automotive sectors.
We're
here in Kabelsketal at one of our sites in Leipzig. We store different products for the automotive industry here, including cable harnesses, sills and rear skirts, and dispatch them just in sequence to the customer. The first premise we had was to ensure absolute delivery capability. This means that we have to be able to supply our customers 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Jungheinrich simply turned out to be the best fit. Specifically, it was a combination of the overall concept and ultimately the EKS 215A, which perfectly fit our requirements. Jungheinrich's greatest strength is that we are a general contractor, offering everything from a single source. Starting with the roller conveyors, which are in the incoming goods and sequencing areas, through to the racking, the automated trucks, the software system, everything that is needed for this. The EKSA is an in-house development with a very compact design, so that it can work in small work aisles even with high lifting heights. The EKSA has cantilevered forks, which means that it is also able to pick up closed pallets or flexible pallets. The vehicles function in such a way that they always detect the center block of the pallets and monitor if the pallet has been picked up correctly and that it is permanently in the right place during the journey. The vehicles have 360-degree personal protection. That means sensors are fitted underneath the vehicle, which are adapted to the speed of the vehicle. They create a warning field in which the vehicle brakes and a protective field, so the vehicle would go into emergency stop as soon as anyone steps into the path of travel. The vehicles are equipped with a lithium-ion battery, which means that this system is available 24/7 and the required capacity and throughput is always designed so that sufficient vehicles are available, even with automatic intermediate charging. We are very happy with the service. We only have a time window of 2 hours to resupply the customer. Otherwise, the conveyor belt runs empty, which is why we explicitly opted for the premium service, because we have a guaranteed response time within 1 hour. From my point of view, the cooperation with Jungheinrich was absolutely perfect. The commissioning process went smoothly, and I can absolutely recommend Jungheinrich. For our use case, Jungheinrich had exactly the idea, the concept that ultimately convinced us.